Okay, Gauze Garage coming to you from the block party on downtown Englewood, Florida, Dearborn Street. And this is an original owner car. The gentleman bought it brand new. He still has it. And this is a real deal factory race car. Around this time, Chrysler was near bankruptcy, and the accountant, Lynn Townsend, took over the company, and he immediately produced these cars to be competitive in the racing. And it revived Chrysler. They paid off their debt, and by the mid to late 60s, they were profitable again, and it was all because of cars like this. This is Gauze Garage from Dearborn Street, downtown Englewood. Thank you.